What's inside the box, man?
I think it's fairings, front and rear subframe. Windscreen is in your hand, and what else? Everything. Fairings, front and rear subframe, plus screen. It's very heavy. That's why I don't know what he's waiting for to open the door. But no, it's actually super light. I'm wondering how they packed it because it feels like it's empty. It's going to be quite interesting to see what this Panigale is going to feel like after all this getting a diet, you know.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Okay guys, here we are. We are going to be opening up these new goodies for the Panigale 959. Let's start off from the windshield. This should be the windscreen. Let's see what's in here. I think it's, there we go. Let's see what is in here.
Wow.
There's some catalog for the windshield, just in case my manager doesn't know how to install it on his motorcycle.
Thank you, Emery.
Wow.
It's like a proper race. You look like a kid, yeah?
Yeah. It's like a... Here we go. It's beautiful MRA windscreen. I don't think we should take it out because it's like, otherwise, you know, it can get scratches and that. But it's you can see it's a bubble screen. It will look very nice. The aerodynamics on the bikes will improve quite a bit from the standard windshield.
That's a proper size too, yeah?
Very nice, and I like this dark part at the bottom. It's really like that. Some of them just come without this part, so it's very, very nice. Very, very nice. It's already got the holes and everything. All the warranty. Very, very nice. MRA. If anyone needs a windshield, call them. Let's move on to some more serious
Stuff.
stuff.
The one that you are waiting from the last 3 weeks.
CRC fairings. It looks like they come from England. So gently. You know, the tape looks good. Maybe we shouldn't cut the tape off.
I think they do a lot for the BSB, British Superbike also.
Yeah. Let's see what we have here. See, professional packing. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Reactive Parts. Some pamphlets. Anyone is interested? Here we have some storm grips from Maria and Tom Sykes.
The big guys.
Here we have one part of the fairing. Let's look at this. This looks beautiful. It's super light. It's extremely light. Really, like really something very special. Oh wow. Look at this.
Really well.
This is
Left, yeah.
It's a bit rough, but that's how it's supposed to be, because it needs to be painted anyway. Huh? This is the side fairing. As you can see, it's one piece. Quite rough, I must say, but that's how they come. And then you actually have to get them painted and yeah, it comes already with the clips. And there's some
reinforcement.
Yeah, reinforcement with some Kevlar on the parts where the actual clips or bolts or however you want to call them. Yeah, these need to be drilled if you need to use these, but we'll have to see. Maybe they don't need to be drilled because they're already. Yeah, they will probably have to be drilled here, here, and there. But we'll see when we put the part on the bike. Put this back inside so we can make sure that it's still intact for the mounting. I just want to remind everyone that fairings, racing fairings, I've seen some racing fairings on MotoGP bikes up close in Mugello quite a while back, and I can tell you they're not super spanking, shining like everyone sees on TV. They're actually quite rough. They've improved it through the years, but they are quite rough. Because at the end of the day, they're racing fairings, they're not for show. Here we have the second side fairing. Let's just open up, just make sure it doesn't have any cracks or anything. Just double check. Okay, here's this looks like it's the right hand fairing, the other part. Looks good, no cracks. These are quite delicate, these pieces here, so you've got to handle them with care. 1, 2, 3, it's got the clips in already, all the reinforcements in the right places. Ducati, yeah. Literally, it's the same fairing as the 959 is the same fairing as the 1299.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why it says Ducati 1299 Panigale Corse fairing, you know. So it makes it even feel more special. It's just giving it a 300 extra cc, but there it is right there. Amazing. Beautiful. Very, very nice fairings, I must say. Super, super light. That's what's important. Amazing.
The bike will be very lightweight afterwards.
Sorry?
The bike will be
way lighter, way lighter. You know, the original fairings, you'll realize once you actually take them off your bike and you put them all together, and then take these and put them all together and just weigh them, you realize how much you actually lose. There we go. Now we got onto this is a nice carbon looking item.
That's the special one.
Yeah. Wow, this is beautiful. This is, guys, this is the airing duct, the carbon airing duct of the Panigale. It looks so menacing, it's actually scary even just to look at it on its own.
Piece of art.
Yeah, it's beautiful, my God. Really, really beautiful, look at it. It's unbelievable. This must weigh about what? I don't even think 300 grams.
No.
It's super, super light. Beautiful. Okay. This will also give you way more airflow and way better than the original ones, I'm sure, because it's all one piece. So it doesn't have any like sort of gaps, you know, when the air comes in. So yeah, it's amazing. Beautiful. let's just check out the last part of the fairing.
Ah, she's the sexy one.
This is the front part of the fairing. It's beautiful. Careful opening this.
Proper wrapping, huh?
Yeah, it is proper. You know, they have to do it carefully because otherwise these are so delicate, these kind of things that you don't want them to break. I think I'll just open the top part so we just keep it still in the bottom part wrapping, because when we put it back, you know, because we are currently not in the workshop, so we don't want to just take them all apart just in case. The knife. So here we go, guys. Here's the front part of the bike. Darth Vader.
Put it on your head.
Beautiful. May the force be with you. It's really, really nice.
Look very flexible too, right?
Nice.
It's not like a rigid fairing or...
No. It's super thin actually. I'm quite surprised. It's reinforced all in Kevlar. You can see on the parts where it got more stress on, and on the inside parts here where it actually connects. It's got the two little airing ducts as well on the side here, like the original one. And as you can see, there is the barcode. They're really, really nice, I must say. Really, really nice. It's got the part where you can actually put those stickers to resemble the actual lights, like they use now in super bikes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Super light. I mean, it's like, you can't even feel it. This is really light, super
That's
light.
right.
It's crazy.
Because it's not fiberglass anymore on this.
No,
They use
no.
some different material.
Yeah, it's a mixture. So it's really, really super light. Okay, now we go into a bit of the serious things as well. This is the rear subframe. Hey guys, it's like you can hold it with a finger, it's so light. Aluminium rear subframe.
Silver.
It's really, really good. Your bike's going to be seriously dieting big time.
I can
Here we go, guys.
eat a lot.
This is what a serious rear racing subframe looks like.
Full aluminium.
Full aluminium. Beautifully welded with the little tag on, riveted on, very stylish. Motor holders, Panigale 959 top 99 rear subframe. It's got a little extra piece here that will probably go on the, I think it's on the rear part of the bike once we fit it on the motorcycle. Amazing piece of art. Super, super light, I mean really, it's just unbelievable. Wow. Beautiful. If you compare this to an original frame, there's just no comparison in what it feels like and how light it is. No comparison. Now we go to the front subframe. I think it's lighter than a tennis ball as well. This is really something different as well.
Ridiculous, man.
Feels like it's Christmas again, huh? Opening up all the goodies. This is really so compact as well. Amazing. Wow. Here we go, guys. Front racing subframe. This is a sticker that will probably have to come out. Motor holders. Wow, it's amazing. So the air box will be going, and it will combine with that carbon fiber part that we saw earlier. It's really, really stylish. Really, really super stylish. Amazing. You can see all the welds.
Oh, line is amazing.
Everything is like perfect. Wow. Amazing. Beautiful. Really, really amazing. I cannot wait to see everything on the bike. It's gonna look so awesome. Here are some nice stickers, like all the guys do when they send you some special parts. CRC fairings. Anyone need fairings for a nice Panigale? And reactive parts. Here we go. And I think this is just an invoice. No, the quantity, delivery note. Very professional, I must say. Very professional. The way they send me all these parts. These are additional parts to the fairing that will just go on the rear. This is the rear, yeah. This is the rear part of the fairing that will just combine with the rear subframe. Let me just see it here. Here we have. Let's see what this is. This is another little aluminium bit. Oops. There we go. This is belly pan mounting bracket. So yeah, this is also super light, all aluminium. It will hold the belly pan together when you actually mount it with all the full fairings.
Which is belly pan is an obligation for the FIM rules, right? For the whole.
Yeah, they have to have this special belly pan to hold the oil if anything happens to the engine. It's going to be a special belly pan that will allow the oil not to just go all over the tarmac on the racetrack. This is the belly pan. There we go. Wow. It's also quite a mold that they made here to allow the actual exhaust of the Panigale that are very particular. Look at this, how they've done this. Wow. The exhaust will be coming obviously through this side and through the other side. That's why it's got this odd shape. Must have done a lot of hours of molding here to actually get it right, because look at all the little details that it has inside. Not an easy job for everyone to do. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Cool. Amazing, huh? Now the last two pieces. well, I'll show you the rear part of the fairing. Let's just do this. This should be the front part of the fairing. There's another bracket in here.
Is the
This right. There you go, guys. This is a seat support plate. Seat support plate. There we go. And attached to this, there is another little fairing bit, and it's supposed to be, let's see which part this is. They've wrapped this quite nicely. Let me just do something here, just 1 second. So here we go. This is, wow, this is the seat middle plate, part of the fairing.
on the back?
There we go. Yes, for the back. Everything has got a
Beautiful.
beautifully molded as well and reinforced. It's really, really nice. Not easy to do. Well, maybe it's easy for the experts, but if anyone's thinking of making one, it looks very complicated with all the little bends and then all the little corners, and yeah, very nice. Also super light. Very, very nice.
It's another good point, right?
Excuse me?
I mean that better to invest a bit for proper quality.
Yeah,
as well,
yeah. If you want proper quality, you definitely look for these guys. Look for the CRC fairings
on the shop.
or Reactive Parts. Amazing product. Here we have another little bracket. Panigale seems to have quite a lot of brackets. No, this is actually the same one as before. Sorry guys. Getting a bit confused here.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it guys. This is the rear part. If no one has seen it, let's just show it. We've shown all the other parts. Let's just open this up quickly as well. And just make sure that everything is fine. There we go. This is the rear part of the bike, as you can see. This will be the rear, right, left hand side of the Panigale. Wait, sorry. Yeah, it should be like that. Yeah, this is the left side, yeah. Left side of the Panigale. When you'll sit on the bike, you'll notice. Very nice parts as well. Both super light. Really amazed with the finish. Very, very nice bits and pieces, and super light. Really super light. Fantastic. So that was the left part. This is the right one. Let's open it up just to make sure that everything is good. There we go. Double check. Everything looks good. Yes, this is exactly how it will go. There we go. Parts looks good. No cracks. Everything okay. Just obviously we'll need the finish, but that's how the racing fairings normally come, unless you get them fully painted. But it's nice to actually get them raw and then you get them personalized. So that's it, guys. That's the full fairings for the Panigale 959 plus front aluminium subframe, rear aluminium subframe, plexiglass, carbon fiber airing duct, and now it's just in the various brackets. Now it's just a matter of putting it all together. Take a day to just you know, have nice fun with it, and then we will show you the final product once everything is installed. There again, if you want to buy any good fairings, CRC Fairings and Reactive Parts UK. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good night. Ciao, ciao.